Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm IDE on Windows step by step. PyCharm is one of the best tools out there for Python development, and setting it up is easier than you might think. To download PyCharm, head over to the official JetBrains PyCharm website. I've added the link in the description below. Once there, you can choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and check the system requirements to make sure PyCharm runs smoothly on your setup. For this tutorial, we'll be using the free community version, so go ahead and click the download button to get started. Once the download is complete, find the .exe file in your Downloads folder. Just double-click it to start the installation process. Click on Browse if you want to change the installation location. Also, make sure you have enough available space to complete the installation. Update context menu. Check this option if you want to quickly open files or folders in PyCharm directly from the Windows context menu, right-click menu. It can be helpful for easy access. Update path variable. Check this option if you want to run PyCharm from the command line. This adds the PyCharm executable to your system's path, allowing you to start PyCharm from any command prompt without needing to specify the full installation path. Create associations. Check this option if you want PyCharm to be the default application for opening Python files, .py, and other related file types. This makes it convenient to double-click on Python files to open them directly in PyCharm. The options Reboot Now and I want to manually reboot later during installation have the following differences. Reboot Now. This option is ideal if you're ready to complete the installation fully and don't have any unsaved work open. It's often needed to apply changes, especially when updating system files or configurations. I want to manually reboot later. Select this if you're in the middle of other tasks or have open work that you want to save before restarting. Just remember that some features or settings might not be fully applied until you perform the reboot. In my opinion, it's usually best to choose I want to manually reboot later. This option allows you to save any work and close other applications at your convenience. You can then reboot when you're ready, ensuring you won't lose any unsaved data or disrupt any tasks. Just remember to reboot when you're done so the installation completes fully. Once the installation is complete, launch PyCharm. The first time you open it, you might see a prompt asking if you want to import settings from a previous installation. Simply choose your preference and click OK to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup, such as choosing a theme and creating a new project. That's it. You've successfully installed PyCharm IDE on your Windows system. Now you're ready to start coding in Python. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.